Before servicing the exhaust, ensure that the muffler is cool. Next, loosen the set screw on the retaining ring and slide it off over the tip of the tailpipe extension. Remove the tailpipe extension. You may need to use pliers if it is stuck due to corrosion. Slide the screen out of the tailpipe. If necessary, shake the screen to remove built-up soot and carbon. The amount of carbon collected will vary depending on the fuel used, air quality, engine age, and condition. A soft, non-metallic brush may be required to fully clean the screen. Carefully inspect the screen for any tears, rips, or any other damage which will prevent the screen from operating properly. Replace the screen if it is damaged. Slide the screen into the tailpipe of the muffler until the retaining lip is sitting against the tip of the tailpipe. Slide the extension over the tailpipe of the muffler. The extension is designed to fit tightly, and you may need to twist it to get it to slide on. Slide the retaining ring over the tailpipe extension until it circles the expanded section where the muffler tailpipe and tailpipe extension overlap. Torque the set screw to 3.2 foot-pounds.